Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to use CLI to configure Firebase with our Flutter project. So we will use the official document provided by Firebase. So if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So before going into installation process, you should have Node Package Manager installed in your system. So if you don't have installed npm yet, you can just see my video in the suggestion and install it. Now what we have to do is just simply copy the command and open our terminal and paste it over here. It will take some time to install, so see you in a while. And once it's installed, we will just go back to our documentation and we will just enable it globally. So copy this command and paste it over here. It will take a second. So and our FlutterFire is configured globally. And if we go back to our documentation, we will have a command FlutterFire configure. We will copy this and we have to go to the root directory so we can install it. So now I have to just change my directory. So like I will do this cd dev amexpress slash and the folder name of my project. So here it is, and this is my project. So you can see the directory name, and now what will happen, it will just give me an error. This happened because we haven't logged into our Firebase account, and I have seen some people trying FlutterFire login to log into the Firebase account, but this won't work. I'll show you the command in a while, and if we go back to the documentation, we won't find any help. So let's go back to our terminal, and here we will write Firebase login. But I'm login of my company account. So you can see I'm logged in by mujaddid.naeem@sparkosol.com. So first I have to log out from this account. So I will write Firebase logout, and then we will log in the Google account that have Firebase project to configure in our Flutter project. So I will write Firebase login, and it will redirect me to the browser here, and I will just select my account if I already have login. So if you don't have login, just login and then hit continue and allow, and here it is. Now if we go back, we have just logged it successfully. Now you have to run the previous command as before, and it is asking me because I already have configured it. So what you have to do is just wait, and it will start fetching your projects from the Gmail you have just logged in. It will take a minute, and look, here is my project name. So I will just hit enter for this. Okay, select the platforms for what I have to configure Firebase. For now on, I have to use Android and iOS. It will ask me for the package name. I will go into app, then source, and then build Gradle, and I will just copy, or I will just see the name like com.amexpress and delivery boy. I was just double checking my spelling, so I will hit enter. Now you just have to wait and watch the magic that how CLI will configure Firebase with our Flutter project. It will take some time according to your internet connection, and it is going to be done like hey tada, and we have just configured it. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.